All right, one side of drywall, you're gonna see them installing. Why are we only doing one side, and how does that affect the construction schedule of the project? So I'm standing here in the hallway, and you can see that we have a lot of cut pieces. You know, traditionally when you're installing drywall, our drywalls come in, and it's one of the messiest parts of the build because, you know, there's so many cuts and waste factor as you're installing, you know, especially cutting around arches and through all these openings throughout the build. So they're coming through. Traditionally what will happen is you have your hangers come in, they hang the entire house. You have scrap everywhere, they scrap it out, they throw it away, they clean, and then when they clean it out, they've scrapped it, it's so clean. And then you come in with the finish crew and they're taping and texturing, and they're gonna tape and texture the home. Now this took a little bit more coordination. The reason being is we worked with rock wool, and we have their safe and sound fire and soundproofing insulation throughout the entire build. So when that's the case, again, because some of these walls, depending on, we have a couple of the garage walls that come into the house, we're using spray foam insulation. And then on the interior walls, we're using the sound bats and fireproofing insulation, as you can see here in the office. And so what we did here is all of our drywallers, we worked with them that they can come through on one side of the house. And so they actually installed all the ceilings, all the lids throughout the build. You can see here, this is the entry of the front door, and they drywalled this side, they drywalled this side. Again, as we come back now, you can see why. The closet here on the back side, they drywalled one side. So as you come into the office here, again, that sound is deadened, even though we have this opening right here. And so because we have one side, it really helps. Even though this is a friction, you know, the way that these bats are, you know, they stay friction, they stay in the opening, it really helps to have one side up so that they, you know, have a good backing there, substrate to install the insulation. And so our insulators are coordinating, we're working hand in hand. And again, as you think about the schedule and how that relates to building, we came up with a great plan of how we're gonna sequence the build, get our swirl drywall in here so that they can do one side, get that finished, and then we come in as they're working right now today. We have our drywallers on site, they're hanging all throughout the build, and then we also have our insulation crew here. And our insulation crew is installing all the insulation right behind them. So now, many of the areas are already complete, so now swirl drywall can go back and they can finish the second side. So again, we're adding a great layer to the overall quality of the build by not affecting timeline because of the way we're overlapping that schedule. And that's a lot of coordination between our superintendent and having on-site meetings with both trade partners so that they can coordinate and make sure they're on schedule. And really that comes back to anyone that's seen our pool plan scheduling. You know, Spencer and our team are always working on these pool plans. And what that means is everyone's coming in, all the trades, they're accountable to each other, and they're coordinating manpower and schedule so that we don't impact delays and we can finish these builds in a very timely manner. And in a lot of cases, add a lot of complexity to these builds without affecting the overall timeline.